This red one is Valentine. This one right here, that's Wilden. And this one, that's Dosita. And the other one, that's Dixie. Big guy in the back, that's Deuce. That's my bull. Hey, you can just see the butt end of one of my little calves. And got Lucky down there, and Little Bit, and Lucky's calf. And here's my Dosa. She's my baby. I raised her with a bottle. I was just petting her a few minutes ago when she moved off.